Cybertruck teardown of its huge windshield wiper. The Tesla Cybertruck is full of innovations like steer-by-wire, a 48-volt electrical system, and, perhaps someday soon, a range-extending battery pack you can plop in the bed. Sure, that's cool. But have you seen its windshield wiper? The truck's comically large wiper has been a major point of intrigue since pre-production Cybertrucks started popping up on social media a couple of years back. Tesla's initial concept, unveiled in 2019, lacked wipers and side mirrors. That's typical of early prototypes. The wiper isn't just gigantic. It also lies vertically when not in use rather than horizontally along the bottom of the windshield like normal, so it's hard to miss. The huge wiper has elicited lots of questions. Could a single wiper tackle heavy-duty snow and the like? How does the thing work? Lucky for all you Cyberwiper stands out there, engineering firm Monroe Associates is tearing down a Tesla truck to explain all of its inner workings. This week, the firm posted a video dedicated specifically to the wiper. Check it out and let us know what you think. Source: reposted and summarized from @insideevs.